Hi guys, welcome back to another Stay Fresh with Peanut tutorial. Our DIY kit includes 100% full grain vegetable tan leather. Each piece is debossed to perfection, making it easy to create 10 leather air fresheners to give away or to make a profit. It also includes 2 ounces of Urban Cowboy and a new leather fragrance oil, 2 pipettes, 10 strings, 10 millimeter refillable spray bottles, and 10 packaging bags. All right, so let's get started. I recommend to wear gloves when handling the oil. Here is my leather patches and my to-go container that I'm going to store them in for afterwards. Now it's really easy. You just want to take your oil and then pour the oil in directly over the leather in the pan or whichever container you choose to use. You want to flip it over so that the oil is absorbed on both sides. When the leather is exposed to the oil, it is going to darken, which is completely natural. Okay, so then next I'm just gonna do the same thing with the rest of my patches. I'm gonna add oil as needed because the leather is gonna absorb all of this oil. So you're gonna have to add more as you continue to soak more patches. So after you're done, as you can see here in the to-go container, the patches are already absorbing all of that oil. And if you need to add more oil, you can do so directly into your container, or you can just re-soak it again individually. Here, I'm just adding some more oil into my container, and this is about 2 days later. The leather is very thick, so you just want to make sure that the oil is absorbed on both sides. So after 2 days, I took it out of my container, I added it on a paper towel, and then just blotted the excess oil. So our newest oil we're introducing is leather. We're just plain leather. That's what the name of it is. It's Stay Fresh with Peanuts oil, and this is an oil that we made in-house. So it is a new fragrance oil that we're really proud of, so let us know what you think. This is another leather patch. As you can see here, I'm using the new leather fragrance oil, and I'm applying it with a brush because I have another patch on the other side that I had glued on with the leather, and I didn't know if by soaking it would come apart, so I'm applying it directly on there with the brush. Now these are the refillable spray bottles that you can include with your leather patches. That way, if they feel like the leather is fading and they want to add some more fine leather fragrance, they can do so just by spraying some. I recommend do not spray this in the car. Spray it outside. You can use your finger if you have a glove on, or use a brush to reapply the leather fragrance oil. And here you can see I'm just using the oil and on the brush and just brushing it lightly. Okay, so we're all done. So now you're just going to take your string, tie it to the Luxe leather air freshener, package it with the bags that we included in your box, and that is it. Apply a label, which is very important, letting your customer know what fragrance oil is infused in this leather. You can use any type of Stay Fresh with Peanut fragrance oil to apply onto the leather patches, and that is it. So like I said, these retail anywhere from $10 to $15. It's a great gift to give away, or you can also sell. So thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay on the lookout for new leather patch designs to come in the future. And don't forget, #LiveLikePeanut.